So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to zoom out of a page here in Google Docs. If I were to go ahead and do zoom out right here, just to get a reference on what I'm referring to, the simplest way is to go to this top bar, press on where it says 100% right here, and you can go ahead and customize this. So you can go ahead and press on it first and foremost to get the drop down. If you want to zoom out, you can select 90%, 75%, 50%, or whatever. You can kind of zoom out as much or as little as you want. Or as I mentioned before, you can actually press on it and choose the number. So if you want like 85% zoom, you can do that. If you want maybe, I don't know, 65% zoom, like whatever the case may be, you can play around with it this way. And if you want to reset it, you can go ahead, just press 100 to get back to normal. But once again, go to the top left, select the percentage that you want, and then you can zoom out of the page that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to zoom out of a page on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.